Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the upcoming G20 Summit 2024. We'll explore key themes like global economic recovery, climate action, and digital transformation. Stay tuned as we uncover the pivotal discussions shaping the future of international cooperation and sustainable development. Question 1: Which country is hosting the G20 Summit in 2024? Option A, India. Option B, Brazil. Option C, China. Option D, South Africa. Correct answer is B, Brazil. Brazil was selected to host the G20 Summit in 2024. The G20 presidency rotates annually among its members, and in 2024, Brazil will take on this responsibility. This will mark the first time Brazil hosts the summit. Question 2: Which city is the venue for the G20 Summit in 2024? Option A, Brasilia. Option B, Sao Paulo. Option C, Rio de Janeiro. Option D, Salvador. Correct answer is option C, Rio de Janeiro. The 2024 G20 Summit will be held in Rio de Janeiro, one of Brazil's most iconic cities. This decision highlights Rio's importance not only as a tourist destination but also as a center for global diplomacy. Question 3: Which organization was invited as a permanent member for the first time at the G20 Summit 2024? Option A, European Union. Option B, African Union. Option C, ASEAN. Option D, United Nations. Correct answer is option B, African Union. In 2024, the African Union was invited as a permanent member of the G20, a significant step toward global inclusivity. This inclusion reflects the importance of Africa's role in global economic and developmental issues. Question 4: Which country was invited as a permanent guest to the G20 Summit 2024 discussions? Option A, South Korea. Option B, Saudi Arabia. Option C, Egypt. Option D, Mexico. Correct answer is option C, Egypt. Egypt has been invited as a permanent guest to the G20 Summit 2024, allowing it to contribute to the discussions on global economic issues. Egypt's strategic importance and economic influence in Africa and the Middle East make it a valuable participant. Question 5: When was the G20 originally founded? Option A, 1995. Option B, 1999. Option C, 2005. Option D, 2010. Correct answer is option B, 1999. The G20 was founded in 1999 in response to the financial crisis of the late 1990s, particularly the Asian financial crisis. Its purpose was to bring together major economies to promote financial stability. Question 6: What is one of the expected primary topics at the G20 Summit 2024? Option A, space exploration. Option B, digital transformation and cybersecurity. Option C, military alliances. Option D, cryptocurrency regulation. Correct answer is option B, digital transformation and cybersecurity. Digital transformation and cybersecurity are among the expected primary topics for discussion at the 2024 G20 Summit. These topics are becoming increasingly critical as the world embraces technological advancement while facing cybersecurity threats. Question 7: Which country chaired the G20 Summit before Brazil in 2024? Option A, Indonesia. Option B, United States. Option C, India. Option D, Japan. Correct answer is option C, India. India chaired the G20 Summit in 2023, with the theme focusing on sustainable growth, climate action, and technological cooperation. Brazil is set to take over the presidency in 2024. Question 8. Which natural resource in Brazil is likely to be a focal point for discussions on environmental sustainability at the summit? Option A. The Sahara Desert. Option B. The Amazon rainforest. Option C. The Nile River. Option D. The Rocky Mountains. Correct answer is option B. The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, a critical global carbon sink, will likely be a central topic at the 2024 summit. Brazil may use the platform to push for greater international cooperation in preserving this essential environmental resource. Question 9. What percentage of the global GDP is represented by the G20 countries? Option A. 50%. Option B. 65%. Option C. 85%. Option D. 95%. Correct answer is option C. 85%. The G20 countries represent approximately 85% of the global GDP, highlighting the group's significant influence over the world's economic policies. Question 10. Which of the following is a primary goal of the G20? Option A. Promoting global nuclear disarmament. Option B. Regulating sports competitions. Option C. Strengthening global economic stability. Option D. Restricting international tourism. Correct answer is option C. Strengthening global economic stability. The G20's main objective is to strengthen global economic stability by coordinating policies among the world's major economies, promoting financial reforms, and addressing issues such as trade, poverty, and climate change. Thanks for joining us on this global journey through the G20 Summit 2024. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below and let us know which questions surprised you the most. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring and learning about the world around you.